Hello guys! Today I am gonna be watching some the time SMR satisfying information part 14. Let's skip the boring intro. Oh fine. Look at that. Oh, it's slime. I thought it was food slime. Oh, it's food slime. I searched up food or slime, but it's food slime now. No. I thought this would be satisfying, but that broth dummy thick. Got it. Wow. Look at that bacon. I would never fall for bacon. It looks so fake. Dismiss you. God. I just don't want to join. This is life. Oh my god. Those are not chicken nuggets. This is not. How does chicken nuggets? What chicken nuggets look like? And chicken nuggets don't look like that. Why are they built like that? Try to be more like as a sniper wolf. He's already down here as a sniper wolf. Go ahead and subscribe. At least I was satisfying food I want video and before, and it's so good. I'm gonna watch it after I end this video. I feel like this channel is not kid enough. I feel like this channel is too quiet. Stop putting text, just talk. Delicious slime. Krispy Kreme donuts. Yum, you got me some donuts. Those are real. Those are real. No way, they even came out of the package. They slime. Okay, they've got to have the crispy. Come on. I really thought you bought donuts. But you gave it to your boyfriend, like, here, have some donuts. And then he's just like, oh, thank you. What is this? What if it's also like slime, but it needed more glue, and the glue is like the icing on top? Nachos! What are these chips? What brand do you get? They're probably slime and real chips. Yep, it's slime and real chips. Oh my god. Their slime is gonna have the crunch of a lifetime. But that kind of nice. Finally, you add some sound. All I hear is. Yep, that's all. That was the least realistic one yet. Still lying to your friends. This is not realistic. Well, ASMR. I hate when people whisper in ASMR. Hi guys, today I'm doing an ASMR video. I hope you enjoy. All I hear is the crackling and I like panic when anyone comes into my room while I'm filming a video and going to the bathroom. They're just like, what are you doing? But I'm in my mom's room on bed, so I lost 2 teeth today. How much longer do we got? We ain't got 13 minutes. Okay, I've had a video longer than 13 minutes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh. Oh yes. Oh. Yeah. No. I love it.